In this video, you will see how to make Times New Roman default on Word in Mac on your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. You may have got bored changing the font from Calibri to Times New Roman every time you create a document. This video will solve that problem. To make Times New Roman default on Word, go up to the format option and go up to the fonts. You can also press Command D as a shortcut. Under the Latin text font, scroll down and select Times New Roman. Select the font color black. Then we need to default these settings. Click on default option here. And you will see this notification. It will ask you want to apply these settings to this document only, or you want all the future documents to have these settings. Because we want Times New Roman every time, so we will select base all document on the normal template and click OK. And that's how you can easily set Times New Roman default on Word in Mac. Now every time you open the Word document, you don't need to change the font from Calibri to Times New Roman. Like the video and comment below if this video solves your problem. And don't forget to subscribe.